Quoting strings with single quotes. It says string values in JavaScript may be written with single or double quotes as long as you start and end with the same type of quote. Unlike some other programming languages, single and double quotes work the same in JavaScript. This gives you an example there. The reason why you might want to use one type of quote over another is if you want to use both in a string, this might happen if you want to save a conversation in a string and have the conversation in quotes. Another use for it would be saving an a tag with various attributes in quotes or within a string. Gives you an example there. However, this becomes a problem if you need to use the outermost quotes within it. Remember, a string has the same kind of quotes at the beginning and end, but if you have the same quote somewhere in the middle, the string will stop early and throw an error. And it gives you an example of what throws an error. So it gives you an example. Yeah. You can use both quotes safely by using a backslash to the escape character. So you would have to use it in the second one here if you was to use the escape character, but I don't think this example wants you to use that. Note the backslash should not be confused with the forward slash. They do not do the same thing. Change the provided string to the string with single quotes at the beginning and the end, no escape characters. Right now, the a tag in the string uses double quotes everywhere. You will need to change the outer quotes to single quotes so that you can remove the escape characters. Okay, so it's saying single quotes at the beginning and end, no escape. Oh, I saw what I did. I know what I did. Okay, because he wants single quotes at the beginning and double quotes on the inside. That makes sense. To read the question. Okay, that took really long.